Hello and welcome to another unboxing featuring Milwaukee. We have the 48-11-1850 free with the purchase of an oscillating multi-tool 2836-20 tool only. What comes in this box? You get the oscillating tool, you get 5 sanding sheets, you get the sanding pad plus a wood cutting blade. Let's get into it. Here it is in all of its glory. The wood cutting blade, as all the blades, have multi-positioning ability. The tool itself is easy to load. There's a quick release lever, and you just unthread this part here. You just have to loosen it enough to get your blade positioned and then secure that. You don't have to crank it down with a screwdriver or anything. Yep, that's it, and it holds fast. Okay, there's the tool. There's the battery. M18. It is a variable speed. There's also an automatic function. It goes from 0 to 10 and then automatic, and that just senses how much load you're putting on the tool and will adjust the speed accordingly. Just for shits and giggles, I'll start on a low. Yeah. Not too much vibration. There's a light, so you can see the work that you're doing. And yeah, otherwise this is a great little tool. A great tool to add to your arsenal. Thanks for watching.